Yes, you are right. In this video, I am going to show you free, easy and effortless way to download any movie, video or audio from anywhere, any site, in any operating system with YouTube deal. If you are new here, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Let's begin. You need to download a small software from youtube-dl.org. You need to download this file if you are using a window. The download has been started. You should take care. You need to write here select this, write CMD and enter. As you can see, the console is open and here is one of the video I am taking from Twitter, writing youtube-dl and pasting that link which I have copied from Twitter, and you can see the download has been started and the file is here. So another example, this is my Facebook account. I'm copying this video link and writing same thing, youtube-dl space and pasting that link. As you can see, the download has been started and file is somewhere here. Okay, this is my Insta account, this video. So I'm copying this link and writing youtube-dl, pasting that link. You can see this download has been started and this is the file which got downloaded from here. Even you can download complete Instagram videos by writing simply youtube-dl and the link of your Insta page. And here you can see it is finding the files, all the files together, and then you start the download. Here you can see he find 104 videos on my total Instagram and he is downloading one by one. So as you can see here, the files are downloading. One is got downloaded, another is downloading. As of now, I am stopping this. Okay, let me show you the YouTube. Let me move to the next example from YouTube. Which video you want to download, just Google search it. I am searching here my channel video. You can search your own. And I am opening a playlist and copying the link and writing a youtube-dl and pasted it. You can see the download is started. This is the one video download, how you can download a single video. Let me show you how you can download. If you want to download complete playlist, you need to copy this playlist link and go back, write YouTube-DL, paste it, and it will start download the complete all videos whichever available in this channel. You can see here 14 videos are there available, and here also the 14 videos are showing. I'm stopping this as of now. Even you can download complete channel just simply copying the channel link from here and write same YouTube-DL and paste the link, and this will start downloading complete channel's video. As of now you can see it is processing, and this find 36 videos on my channel, and I started download one by one. Okay, I'm stopping this one as of now, and let me show you some more things why I use this one. Let me show you how you can download any audios from anywhere. The same procedure you should follow everywhere. I'm copying this link which is running here, the video on YouTube, going back and writing here YouTube-DL, and then this is the important thing I'm telling you, -X. It means this will download the audio file of this video. So I have entered, and you can see this downloading has started, and it will download only the audio file. As you can see, this file got downloaded. Let me play and show you. As you can see, there is no video for this file, only audio is there. Now time for bonus tips. To download any movie, you need to write in title colon index dot of question mark and space. After that you write any movie's name. I am writing here Avengers and search. Open any link. This is called indexing search. Copy this link. Even you can download simply clicking here also, but I will recommend this way. I will recommend to download through YouTube-DL. You can download simply here by right clicking like this, or you can watch continuously. Completely you can watch also, or if you can download. So I recommend this way to download. Copy this link, go here YouTube-DL and paste here, and let me tell you why I recommend this way to download. In case if you are downloading the movie in browser, if your in case internet is gone or anything will have happened, the movie will be download start from beginning. But here wherever it stop the downloading, it will start resume from the same position. Let me show you. This already get downloaded 2%. I'm closing right now and opening again the same link and writing YouTube-DL and copying the same link. You can save this link and pasting here, and now you can see the download will start from same place where I stopped 2.1% something wiser, and as you can see 2.3 started. So this is the main reason I use YouTube DL. Let me show you some more things. Even you can go back here to the parent directory and you can find this all Marvel's movie. Not only this much, you can even do lots here. As of now, like I am writing Hindi movies. Doom. Opening this. And when you click here the parent directory, you can find all the movies like which this website, all the movies you can see here, or simply you can search by your, if you don't remember any movies, you can here you can see the listing of all the movies and you can choose any movies, and same way you can do that to download the movies. If you want to know more, I had created videos which you can see in my playlist. If you want to know more about YouTube DL, just visit this documentation is there, complete documentation is there, and you can read from here. And if you don't want to read this messy thing, subscribe my channel. I'm going to make a lots of video over this basic to advanced level. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt or suggestion, just write below on the comment box and I will answer as soon as possible. And if you are new into my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos.